हल्क ने कुछ भी गलत नहीं किया है रे।
पर शक सबसे पहले ताकतवर पे ही जाता है रे।
बेटा, ताकत का असली मतलब सच ढूंढना होता है रे।
हल्क सच सबके सामने लाएगा रे।
These Hulk short videos are going insanely viral. You can see this channel. It was created just a few weeks ago, has published only 12 videos so far, and has already gained almost 300,000 subscribers with nearly 40 million views. And the best part, you can create these viral Hulk videos in just 1 minute. All you need is this magical script prompt. The best thing about this prompt is that it generates a brand new script every single time. You just need to copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Hit the send button and ChatGPT will instantly start generating a highly engaging script. Now, the next step is to convert this script into multiple scenes. For that, we'll use another magical scene prompt. Just copy this prompt and paste it into the same ChatGPT chat where we generated the script. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will break the story into multiple scenes for our viral Hulk video. Now comes the real magic, creating consistent character Hulk videos from these scenes. Here we'll use another magical prompt. Simply copy this prompt and paste it into the same ChatGPT chat. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate text to video prompts for each scene. Now we have our video prompts, so it's time to generate the video for free. Go to flow.google. If you don't already have a Google Flow account, click on the Create with Flow button and complete the sign-up process. With the free sign-up, you'll receive 100 AI credits. These credits are used for video generation, and once they're finished, you can simply create another account to continue using Google Flow for free. To generate a viral Hulk video, click on New Project. Then select the portrait aspect ratio, because we're creating a vertical short video. Make sure number of outputs is set to 1, VO 3.1, fast model is selected. This model uses only 20 credits per video. If you choose VO 3.1, quality, it will consume 100 credits per video. So I recommend sticking with VO 3.1 fast to save credits. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt for scene 1, paste it into Google Flow, and hit send. And within a few seconds, your first viral Hulk scene will be ready. And let's preview it.
हल्क खेत में काम कर रहा है रे।
हल्क भैया, आज बहुत खुश लग रहे हो रे।
To generate the next scene, click on Add to Scene. This opens the scene builder. Normally, people drag the timeline to a frame where the character's face is clearly visible. Click the plus icon, save the frame as an asset, select it, then paste the prompt for scene 2 and generate the next scene.
भैया, आज बहुत खुश लग रहे हो रे।
मंदिर की घंटी अचानक गायब हो गई है रे।
But today, I'll show you a much easier and more efficient method. Before that, click here and use the minus icon to remove the scene from the scene builder. Now we have only scene 1. To generate the next scene in the easiest way, click on the plus icon and select Extend. This Extend feature helps maintain maximum character consistency. Now go to ChatGPT, copy the VO3 video prompt for scene 2, paste it into Google Flow, and hit send. Within a few seconds, bingo, scene 2 is ready. Let's preview it.
आज बहुत खुश लग रहे हो रे।
मंदिर की घंटी अचानक गायब हो गई है रे। इतनी भारी चीज हल्क ही उठा सकता है रे।
You can repeat the same process for all remaining scenes. Click on the last scene, choose Extend, paste the next scene's prompt, hit send. Using this method, I generated all the scenes. Once everything is done, click on the download option to export the complete video. You know what? After export, you'll see the download button, download the full video, and bingo, our final viral Hulk video is ready. The full video link is provided in the description below. If you watched us till the end, please support me by hitting the like button. Let's aim for 2,000 likes on this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post many more tutorials like this. And if you want to generate viral Nano Banana Pro images, you absolutely can't miss the next video. I'll see you inside that tutorial.